Alright, what is going on today, guys? Today I am looking at the idle air control valve. I actually got the part off here. Now, what you need to do to get this off is, I use this little extension to help me get in there. Also, I have a little swivel too that I used to help me get in there. But I use a little tiny ratchet here, a little 1/4-inch drive here. It's an 8mm that I used. But what you got to do is, it's actually really simple. You got the idle air control valve here. It sits here like this. You got this that connects in there into the back of it. So picture in the back, this sits on the back right there, and then this connects to there, and then this plastic tube right here connects to the air intake right over here. So what I did is I just pulled that off. That was real quick. That way gave me some room. I also undid the plug here. There's a plug that connects onto here. You just push this little tab down and it, boom, just pop right off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this out and hope this will correct the noise that I'm having. Because if you look inside of here, I mean, I don't know, it's all dirty. I may have to replace this possibly. I'm just gonna clean it out really good. I got some cleaner, some brake clean, and I think mass airflow cleaner, whatever I have. So I'm gonna just clean that out real quick. And I don't know, I'll put everything back together. There's a little gasket too. Your gasket may stay on this or stay on the actual part that it connects to. Mine stayed on here, which is good. I'd rather it stay on there, that way I can just put the part right back on and leave it the way it is. But I don't really know. I'm thinking I should maybe spray in there a little bit too. Because I mean, it looks like it goes right into the throttle body. Throttle body is right here, so should be alright. I think I have throttle body cleaner, so that should work out pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this and we'll go from there and see. Ow. I somehow always manage to get freaking the stuff all over my face. I can see all the black gunk coming off. I mean, it looks pretty dirty, I don't know. Alright, well, it's definitely a lot cleaner in there now. Well, still some residue. Yeah, I mean, look at that, guys. See how black it is? I don't know if you can see it, but my hands are like pretty black. It's bad. Like, look at that. I should probably get a rag. Yeah, guys, this is really dirty. So maybe this is the issue that I was having, that noise. Problem is I can't get in there. I can see dirt in there. So I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but I can't get anything in there to clean it. It's going to be like that, I guess. All right. Let that dry for a second. And then I'm also gonna spray inside of here as well. Try to, I don't know if I can even get this in here. Maybe I shouldn't clean in here, I don't know. I guess a little bit can't hurt, right? Oh my luck, I'll screw it up, but let that dry for a second. I'll hook everything back up and we'll see if that corrects my my issue here. All right, moment of truth here, guys. We're gonna start it up and see if it does it. Like I said, if the car is warm, I was driving, I had to run a few errands, so. Whatever crap out of there. No, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's not doing it now, so I think my idle air control is just a little clogged up. Because normally too, also, when I would start it, it would, I could hear it when I started it up. So, I don't know, I think it was my idle air control. Yeah, it's not doing it now, guys. So cool, that works out. So if you have a little issue where you're hearing that noise that I had in the other video, just look it up. Just watch the video, I'll link it down in the description. You know, that looks like what the problem was, at least for me, so hopefully it'll help you guys out. I would definitely use, you could probably also use a 5/16 if you don't have an 8mm, but it is an 8mm. You need a swivel, at least, I don't know, it makes it a lot easier. The top bolt is fine, it's the bottom bolt you really need a swivel for. Another, I'll turn this off so you guys can actually hear me. Another thing that you want to do, at least it was easier for me to install it, is when I was putting this in, I didn't put it on and try to put the bolt in. I had the bolt sitting on this. Like I put the bolt on there and I held the bolt in as I put it on and I aimed it into the hole. And then once I got it in, I, you know, tried to spin it and just get it in there and thread it through a little bit. And then I pushed it on and did everything else. But otherwise, if you're gonna do the top and then put it on and try to get the bottom bolt, it's gonna be a pain. I'd start from the bottom bolt and then do the top. And then obviously hook everything back up, hook this right back up. I ended up spraying this out too. I don't know if I should, I mean it's plastic and rubber, but whatever. I don't think this thing's even expensive, or I could always get them from the junkyard anyway, so I'm not worried about it. But just plug it back in, hook everything back up, and hopefully your problem will be fixed like mine was. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Take care. There's also one more tool that I forgot to mention. Depending on your the year of your Crown Vic, you also may need some freaking maybe some vice grips too, in case your Crown Vic's like mine and well, your hood doesn't want to stay open. So another thing you might need.